Welcome to Coffee, Tea, or Hershey. Reflections that empower your mind and heart, one law at a time. Today, let's dive into law number one: never outshine the master. A rule that doesn't just speak to strategy, but to survival. In life, lalo na sa mundo ng trabaho, showbiz, or kahit simpleng barangay meeting, sometimes it's not enough to be good. You have to know when to shine and when to let others feel like they're the brightest star in the room. Because the truth is, insecurity is louder than talent. And no matter how kind your heart is, if your brilliance threatens someone in power, you won't be seen as gifted. You'll be seen as a threat. Learn to master the art of presence without provocation, influence without intimidation, rise without stepping on fragile egos. Sa madaling salita, huwag mong agawan ng spotlight ang taong di pa handang ibahagi ito. Minsan, the real power lies in holding back because you know your time will come, and when it does, no one can dim you. Follow for more heart centered wisdom and reflections for the mind and the heart.